sunshine. I have the coolest shirt to show you guys. Hold on, let's put you back so you guys can look at my shirt. Look at it. I got it at Walmart. What do you guys think? I don't know. Do you like the Stephen King wait, hold on, let me reword that. Do you like the original It better, or do you like the new It? I feel like both have an equal amount of pros and cons. So I'm really just kind of like in the middle, but I would love to hear your opinion in the comment section down below. With that said, we have Sephora Play to get into this month. Guys, it's April, and look at me, I'm actually filming things on time because I actually got my packages early this month. Usually I don't receive Sephora Play until the very last month of the month. Wait, the very last week of the month. Ooh, hot mess. This is a great intro, right? So I'm very excited to actually sit down and film this with you guys. I don't know, has anybody noticed I got a new nose ring? Well, actually I got a new piercing. This is like the third time that I've had my nose pierced because I am allergic to everything, and I'm really sensitive to the metals that I put like as piercings. And so the piercing shop that I went to, like, she said it was surgical grade steel, and so far I haven't had any problems with it. And I also got my dates done, which is a whole story in itself. Oh, I can't wait to share that with you guys. So with that said, I did receive my April Sephora Play on time this month. Also, I wanted to share with you guys, apparently Sephora is changing things up with the Sephora Play box, and you're not necessarily always going to get a perfume sample. You might get something that's like scented like a perfume. Like last month, I got the freaking hair wipe that was like perfume-esque, but you're not always going to get a perfume sample. They're trying to change things up, which I thought was very interesting. So let's get into it. This month's theme is Insta Beauty. Let's change, there we go. That's a little bit better of a camera angle. So Insta Beauty, and I've been loving their charts recently. Get selfie ready in a snap. Choose a red lipstick with blue undertones to make your pearly whites appear even brighter. Add highlighters to the tops of your cheekbones and angle the camera from above to show off your gleam. Okay, so they got some tips and then some like Instagram spread ideas, but I don't need that. My Instagram's lit. It's not really though. So let's get into this month's box. First, the first thing I would like to point off is this bag makes me feel uncomfortable. Like, I get pink. Pink's like, you know, pink's a thing. But why this, like, Christmas green color? I don't get it. But this bag says, make it snappy. I need to calm down. I had a little bit too much caffeine today, guys. Sorry, not really. But the first thing that I'm pulling out in this month's box is heavy. This is the Fresh Lotus Youth Preserve Rescue Mask. Seaweed Radiance Facial. 15 milliliters. This is very heavy, and the box is so pretty. Like, look how pretty that is. Okay, so let's get into it. I wish I was more adult and like could figure out how to open these boxes better without tearing. Does anybody else experience that? Because they just make these so hard to open. So we're pulling it out. Oh, this feels so fancy. It looks and feels so fancy. Oh, look at that. Ooh, 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 ooh. So this is the mask. Apply a generous layer using circular motions and let it work for 5 minutes. Add warm water and massage the skin, then rinse well. Can be used 2 to 3 times a week. Avoid the eye and mouth area. In the event of contact with eyes, rinse immediately with water. The color of the formula may vary slightly due to its natural ingredients. So, I'm going to take off the lid and open it. Ooh. Why does this look like garlic ranch dressing? What, like, does anybody else feel that? Like, oh, blue cheese. It looks more like blue cheese to me than it does garlic. What? Okay, maybe I'm just hungry, but literally, what is this? Low-key smell like cucumber dill. Oh my gosh, it smells like cucumber. Okay, does it have cucumber in it though? No, it's seaweed. Why does it smell like cucumber? I don't know. So that's what the mask looks like. What do you guys think? That's really, like, that's a lot, and it's heavy feeling. For this to be, like, I'm already impressed with this month. This is very, like, heavy and expensive feeling. Okay, the next thing that we are pulling out is a perfume sample. I bet you somebody at Sephora heard me talking all that crap about how I was so disappointed not getting a perfume sample. So I think this is pronounced Miu. I don't know. Natural Spray Vaporisor. I can't French very well, so I'm sorry guys, but let's go. I hope it smells good. I love citrus perfume. Can somebody please recommend a citrus perfume? Like, I just want one so bad. Like citrus, like I want it to smell like oranges. Oh, it keeps getting worse. No, honey. Oh no, it smells like, again, my nose isn't very nice. Like, I don't have a great nose, but it smells like spicy in a sense, like spicy and like diaper cream. Spicy diaper cream is what that smells like. That's all we're going to talk about that for today. Yeah, that's not a nice scent. I don't like it, and I'm very sad that I sprayed it now because I'm going to have to smell it for the rest of this video. It's okay. We'll move on to our next thing, which is Urban Decay. Oh my gosh, this is like the first Urban Decay thing I think I've ever received from Sephora Play. Urban Decay Hi-Fi Shine Ultra Cushion Lip Gloss. Heck yes, please. Ooh. Ooh, okay. Shiny, cushiony color. This is a holy grail of glosses. Our ultra shiny formula glides on cushiony soft, provides long-lasting wear that's comfortable, not tacky, like me. No, I'm just kidding. Not really. Laced with vitamin E and peppermint oil. So this is going to have a little bit of plumping action with the peppermint oil. Our hydrating formula nourishes, has a plumping effect, look at my knowledge, and comes in a yummy vanilla mint flavor. So my thumb is stuck, okay? Here are all the shades that they offer. And I got shade SPL, as you can see, because it's circled. So this is like blue, pink, it just looks like a unicorn to me. I'm not wearing anything on my lips, so let's try. It smells like vanilla mint. Oh my gosh, it smells like gum. Like I want to chew it. Okay. It's very glittery. Ooh, it's very glittery. Ooh. Let's get in up and close so we can all look together. Okay, I'm definitely feeling like the slight, ooh girl, I need a blend. Okay. I'm definitely feeling like a slight cooling sensation, I guess we could call it. It's very pink. It's not very glittery. Is it? I don't know. Do you guys think it's glittery? Please let me know. But, oh, I like this sensation because it feels like I'm chewing like 5 gum. It feels nice. It's not burning. A lot of the plumping glosses that I've ever tried burn the heckin' out of my lips. This feels nice and refreshing. I'm not in love with the color. It's not atrocious. Like in the bottle itself, it's super cute, but it's like Instagram cute, if you know what I mean. Like it's like Instagram cute, you know, like it reminds me of unicorns. And like, you know how girls will do like the bright, bold lipsticks and all that, like the fun Instagram makeup. That's kind of where I would put this in. It's not bad. It's not very glittery on my lips, which is, I guess, okay. I don't know. I was kind of looking forward to glittery lips. It's okay. I don't hate it. And I'm excited that I got some Urban Decay product in my Sephora Play box. So the next thing that we are pulling out is... Ooh, oh my gosh, 2 like famous brands. Okay, this is Makeup Forever Ultra HD Perfector Blurring Skin Tint with Sunscreen. Sunscreen, not sunscream. I was really excited because I thought this was going to be a lipstick just because of the packaging. Like literally, I thought it was going to be, you know. And I feel like we could have just put this in here instead of the entire box instead of being wasteful. But hey, Makeup Forever, we already talked about that. Blurring Skin Tint with Sunscreen. This looks like a Carmex bottle. It was so hard to open. Okay, let's see if it smells. No smell except for that awful perfume they sent. So I'm just going to put a little dab on my hand. Okay. It's a little too dark for my skin tone, but I mean, we can work with it. So skin blurring, they say, huh? I have a stain from lipstick I tried the other day on my hand. I don't know. It literally just looks like CC cream or BB cream. because more BB cream than CC cream because I put it over top of the red lipstick and it's not really color corrected. So it's very sheer, like a BB cream, blurring skin tint. So yeah, that's basically all this is. Helps prevent sunscars. Oh my gosh, why can I not speak? I said it helps prevent sunskirt. What the heck? But it says helps prevent sunburn if used directed with other skin protection measures. Decreases the risk of skin cancer and early skin aging caused by sun. Ultra HD Perfector Blurring Skin Tint with Sunscreen is a new generation of skin tint that instantly blurs and perfectly even skin for a healthy, luminous finish. The buildable, okay, so it's buildable. Extra Glide lightweight formula hydrates while protecting with broad spectrum SPF 25. Skin flawlessly glows with new warmth and a perfectly healthy look, all in one quick sweep. Yes, I would definitely agree that it is very luminous. Okay, now that I know that it's buildable, and that, like, it has sunscreen. Yeah, okay, now that it's dried, my hand looks so much sexier. Like, look. Like, not, oh, yeah. Like, would you date this hand? No, but you would date this hand because of the skin tint. Yeah, my hand definitely looks like, I don't know if you guys can see a difference. If we can. Like, my hand's not as ugly now with the skin tint on it. It's okay. It definitely has a luminous finish. It's a little too dark for my skin tone, but hey, 2 recognizable brands in this month's box. Let's see what's in our next box, well, next bag, next product. Okay, this is from another recognizable brand. Peter Thomas Roth Skin to Die For. Is that a threat? I hope not. No Filter Mattifying Primer and Complexion Perfector. Your girl, I need mattifying everything. Like, please send it my way. Also, as a side note, I love the lavender of this bottle. Seriously, like, this isn't even me joking and being hyper. I want my hair to be this color. Like, I want one day to have purple hair. So if you see me with purple hair one day, just know that I am living my best life. Okay, so we're gonna smell it. Oh, why does these things happen to me? Okay, it doesn't really smell like anything. All I can seriously smell is that goodness awful perfume. Okay, so here is what it is. It is tinted. Let's bring that down here. Ooh, thick. Ooh, that's thick and creamy feeling. Okay, it's sheer, obviously, because didn't it say that? I don't know. Mattifying Primer and Complexion Perfector. Okay. I mean, I can't tell you too much. It's a primer. It feels very thick on my skin and hydrating because I definitely have dry skin, but this feels like this is making my skin feel really, really nice. I'm actually hyped to try this for all skin types. Apply all over face, focusing on pores, fine lines, and imperfections. Again, look how beautiful this hand and wrist are. Like, ooh. Okay. I'm going to get so many comments be like, Elizabeth, you're being so annoying today. So many dislikes. I'm so prepared for the hate. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'm so hyper. But we have one more thing to try out that I just accidentally dropped in this month's bag. And this is from another recognizable brand. So that makes 4 brands that we recognize in this month's box. This is IT Cosmetics Bye Bye Pores Pressed Powder. I did receive this in an Ipsy box not too long ago. Yeah, airbrushing and a powder blurs imperfections with a flawless finish, anti-aging with silk, collagen, and antioxidants, universal translucent shade for all skin tones. Okay, heck yes, please. And the little puff they put in there is literally so cute, but if you guys want to see what it looks like, well, okay, this is what it actually looks like. This is nice to get like a little foundation sample. Again, I'm really happy to actually have gotten 2, but since your girl's a little greasy, we can get up close and personal, and we can blot together. Girls who blot together stay together. Am I right, ladies? And guys, if you guys are blotting with me. So, do I look poreless in those areas? I mean, yeah, I guess we could say that. I definitely do see right here, like right here in my face, I have really bad hyperpigmentation. I have scarring, I have pock marks, I have pores for days, and if we can get really close up and personal, you guys can see that it's not as noticeable in those areas. Like my pores are definitely like, look right here. And then if I just move my head a little bit, you can definitely really see the difference of where I applied the powder and where I didn't apply the powder. And please don't look at my nose piercing. It's still healing. So it doesn't look super cute. But I mean, I've had this before and I've been impressed, and I mean, I'm just as impressed again. So let's talk about everything that we have in here. So this month's box is way better, and I'm actually really impressed with this month's box, which means next month's box is probably gonna suck, but I'm gonna enjoy the goodness while it lasts. So we do have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 samples. Yeah. So this is $10 a month. You get 5 to 6. Well, you won't. No, never mind. Sorry. This is $10 a month. 6 samples in every box. 5 makeup samples and 1 perfume sample. So we have the Lotus Youth Preserve Rescue Mask with Seaweed Radiance Facial, which makes me feel really bougie. We have the Makeup Forever Ultra HD Perfector Skin Blurring Tint with Sunscreen, one recognizable brand. We have the Urban Decay Ultra Shine Ultra Cushion Lip Gloss in shade SPL, second recognizable brand. It's not an atrocious color. It's okay. I wish it was less pink and more glitter, but I mean, like, everybody has their own opinions on everything. So, I mean, that's whatever. We also received the IT Cosmetics Bye Bye Pores Press Powder. So it's a translucent setting powder. Our third recognizable brand. We also received the Peter Thomas Roth Skin to Die For No Filter Mattifying Primer and Complexion Perfector. So this is our fourth recognizable brand, like the big brands out there. And then we also received a perfume sample that we hate. So with all of that said, I'm really excited about this month's box. I'm actually really, really impressed. I want to know what you guys think about this month's Sephora Play Box in the comment section down below. Are you thinking about signing up? Are you thinking about unsubscribing? What did you get in your Sephora Play Box? As always, I love hearing from you all, and I will see you in my next video.